the shark family. Hello, my little artists. How are you? Today, we're going to draw and color the shark family step by step together. First, let's start by drawing the baby shark. Are you ready? Let's go! We'll start by drawing circles for its eyes, and now the nose. We need 2 big circles. And now 2 little circles for its nose. Let's draw a circle for its face. Next, we draw its mouth and its teeth. They're all zigzag. Here, let's draw a fin on its back. Then we complete its tummy with curved lines. Let's draw its arms. And now, let's draw its tail. Next, we are going to draw the mommy shark. Let's start by drawing her eyes with 2 big circles. And then 2 little circles for her nose. That's right, a big circle. Let's draw Mommy Shark's mouth and teeth. They are so sharp. She's got teeth on the both sides, up and down. Here, let's draw her body and her arms. Don't forget to draw her tail too. All the sharks have got tails. Now it's time to draw the daddy shark. 2 circles. 2 little circles for his nose. And last one, let's draw his mouth. Daddy shark has got sharp teeth.
Baby shark in a festive dress.
We've got our baby shark, beautiful mommy shark, and now we are almost done with drawing the daddy shark.
What a treat.
Let's draw Grandma Shark. Just like the other sharks, we draw her eyes. Good job! Then, let's add a little pair of glasses.
To the ocean sleep under the sea.
Let's draw Grandma Shark's mouth.
Joy and cheer sublime. Baby shark, mommy and dad, swimming together, so glad.
And then her body, with her hands and tail.
In the Christmas dim, shining bright like a twinkling star.
Grandpa Shark, where are you? That's right, we're going to draw you. Grandpa Shark has got eyebrows too.
Sea wild and free under the sea.
For Grandpa Shark, let's add a big mustache.
Okay, kids, I'll be super happy if you hit the like, but if you don't, I might draw funny faces on everything. So, please hit the like.
Arms and tail.
Colorful fish swimming round, happy sounds all around, laughing kids full of glee, under the sea wild and free. Under the sea, it's Christmas time.
We are almost done. Amazing! Now kids, let's take a black marker and color in the lines and make the dark spots black. What do you think? Now it's time for coloring. Are you ready? We are going to start with baby shark. Let's use our yellow color for the baby shark. Yes, yellow. Our baby shark is yellow. Let's color its tongue pink and inside of its mouth red. Good job! Now it's time to color our beautiful mommy shark. For mommy shark, we're going to use our pastel pink. She loves it. We need red to color her mouth and lips.
Swimming around full of happiness, singing carols, oh so sweet. Under the sea, what a treat. Mommy shark in red, so bright.
Here, let's draw the daddy shark.
Singing songs so warm and deep.
Let's use our blue color. Yes, blue, just like the sky.
Joy and cheer sublime. Baby shark, mommy and dad, swimming together, so glad. Daddy shark with a jolly grin, decorating the Christmas tin.
Don't forget to color inside of her mouth red.
Celebrating near and far, colorful fish swimming around, happy sounds all around, laughing kids full of glee under the sea, wild and free.
Now let's move on to Grandma Shark. She's a sweet shark with glasses on her eyes. Let's start by coloring her body orange. Grandma Shark loves orange.
Kids, if you like this video, I'll draw the biggest, coolest rainbow, ever. So hurry up.
Around full of happiness, singing carols, oh so
Don't forget to color inside of her mouth red.
Mommy shark in red, so bright, joining in the Christmas light, singing songs so warm.
Now Grandpa Shark with his white eyebrows and mustache. Let's color his body green.
Joy and cheer sublime. Baby shark, mommy and dad, swimming together, so glad. Daddy shark with a jolly grin, decorating the Christmas tin. Shining bright,
And of course, we use red for his mouth.
near and far. Colorful
Kids, sharks live under the sea, so we need some bubbles. Let's draw some bubbles.
It's Christmas time, full of joy and cheer.
Circle, circle.
Baby shark, mommy and dad, swimming together, so glad.
And in the final step, we add some shading. We are almost done. Ta-da! We did it! I'm so proud of you. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to watch more drawing and coloring videos. See you next time. Goodbye.